Hi, everyone. My name is Nate, and this is my colleague, Jillian. And we're excited to be here in our home state of New York. Right now, a massive shift is taking place in commercial business lending. Things we've experienced in personal transactions, things like simplicity, convenience, and instant results, are now expected in business transactions. And our patented technology enables customers, banks in particular, to make the transition to the new age of commercial equipment financing.
QuickFi is a 100% digital, self-service business financing platform. It allows lenders to approve, document, and fund lease and loan transactions in minutes. You can now deliver a quick, seamless financing experience that your customers will love. Here's how it works.
Jill works for a bank, and she has a business customer that wants to finance a new XCMG excavator. XCMG is one of the largest construction manufacturers in the world and a current QuickFi partner. Jill initiates the onboarding by entering some information about the customer. We know most of you consider this to be a standard process, but hang on, because it's about to get interesting. Once the information is added, Jill selects the company from a credit database. Next, she enters information about the equipment. The platform can accommodate virtually any equipment type: construction, manufacturing, IT, medical, and many others. Right now, QuickFi is evaluating the company's credit, performing fraud detection, KYC requirements, OFAC searches, and authentication of the business and the individual business contact. In addition to that, our patent technology also aggregates all the information that would typically be done manually by banks. While the banks are reviewing this information in a manual format, our technology does it all for you automatically. And within seconds, a credit decision is rendered based on your bank's credit criteria. Now, Jillian uploads the equipment supplier invoice, which is analyzed real time to ensure the total amount is consistent with what was approved. Once the invoice is uploaded, Jill's customer receives a text notification that the transaction is ready to be completed in the QuickFi mobile app. And this is what's so exciting about new technology. Things that previously couldn't be done with the lack of technology can now be instantly performed and in an automated fashion. You just observed the onboarding, credit underwriting, and contract setup for a brand new business customer, all in less than 3 minutes. Think of the competitive advantage for a scenario where things that are requiring your competitors to take days and weeks can be performed by you in 3 minutes or less. And think of the cost savings. Now, let's look at the borrower experience. The customer logs into the QuickFi mobile app to complete multi-factor identity verification and a live facial recognition scan. And once they're logged in, they'll see the bank or manufacturer's branding displayed, as well as the pending transaction, which she'll tap to complete. The customer will choose their desired finance structure, term length, and see the monthly payment update real time. Next, they'll verify the equipment delivery status and verify the billing preference. The digital finance contract is then generated instantly based on the selections made on the prior screen. QuickFi represents a new era of commercial business equipment financing. Your customers no longer wait for a documentation department to prepare and deliver paperwork. Instead, they have a unique self-service finance experience that's simple, fast, and can be completed from anywhere at any time of the day or night. The customer sees all the important contract terms in plain view, including the equipment invoice. And with a single digital signature, the borrower completes the transaction.
And that's it. The transaction is complete. The equipment supplier is paid within 1 day of delivery. And as the customer, I have all the loan servicing tools I need. I can see my signed contracts. I can initiate an early payoff. I can view my monthly billing statements. And 24/7 live QuickFi support is always available.
You might be wondering what it would take to implement this new technology. Well, because the platform is fully digital, setup and rollout can be completed in as little as 2 weeks. And the cost is less than a third of the cost of processing a transaction under the traditional model. But here's another thing to consider. As a bank, you're likely developing AI capabilities, or at least thinking about it. But it isn't easy to leverage AI when your underlying processes are manual. Because QuickFi digitizes your customer data and your internal processes, it serves as a gateway to unlimited future AI and marketing capabilities. So if you're a bank or manufacturer and you're interested in delivering a nearly instant equipment finance experience for your business customers, we'd love to work with you. Thanks for your interest in QuickFi.